The new car SsangYong Torres has been introduced in South Korea. SsangYong. SsangYong has introduced the new car SsangYong Torres in South Korea as its newest SUV. The body is embedded with black cladding and fenders as well as a hexagonal-shaped tailgate garnish. Entering the interior, SsangYong Torres welcomes the driver and passengers with artificial leather on the seats and dashboard. It also offers advanced features ranging from digital instrument screens, 8-inch digital AC screens, and 12.3-inch head unit screens. Unfortunately, SsangYong Torres is confirmed not to be an electric car because it still uses a turbo engine with an integrated starter generator (SG). SsangYong has not disclosed details of the engine capacity or engine power used by Torres. But regarding propulsion, Torres is confirmed to get a 6-speed automatic transmission from Aisin and an all-wheel drive option. Oh yes, even though the Torres launched as a fuel engine car, SsangYong has revealed that there will be an electric version. Using project code U100, the electric Torres will arrive in Europe and be introduced towards the end of 2023.